This video is related to angle properties of polygon, and in this video I will discuss these points. The first point is the introduction of polygons, and the second point is sum of interior angles of a polygon. Okay, and I will give you a formula that will be used to find out the sum of the interior angles. And the second thing, we will discuss some examples. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you what is polygons. So actually, polygons is a shape having three sides and three or more than three sides and angles. Okay, a polygon is a shape having three or more than three sides and angles. So if we talk about triangles, it has three sides. Okay, and if we talk about quadrilaterals, it has four sides. And we have some examples of quadrilateral, just like square, rectangle, rhombus, and parallelogram. And we have a trapezium. It is also a quadrilateral, and a kite. Right? So these are some examples of a quadrilateral, and that is mean four-sided figure. And the third is we have so many shapes having more than four sides. Just like if we have a five-sided figure, we call it a pentagon. Okay, a six-sided figure is called a hexagon. A seven-sided figure is called a heptagon. Okay, and a 10-sided figure is called octagon. A nine-sided figure is called nonagon, and the 10-sided figure is called decagon. And these are the shapes which have more than four sides, or more than three sides, right? So a shape having three or more than three sides and angles, they are called the polygons. But these shapes are the example of regular polygons. Okay, because we have two types of polygons, a regular and irregular polygon. And regular polygons are those polygons which have equal sides and they have the same angles. But irregular polygons have different sides and different angles and degrees. So pentagon, hexagon, and heptagon, and 8-sided, 9 and 10-sided figure, these are called the regular polygons. And to find out, so that was a little introduction about the polygons. And to find out if we want to find out the sum of interior angles of interior angles, so we have a formula of sum of interior angles of n-sided figure. N-sided figure means n-sided figure or n-sided polygon means it has 3 sides or more than 3 sides. So we have a formula to calculate the sum of the interior angle, and the formula is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, right? This is the formula that is used for to calculate the sum of interior angle, and this formula, it is applicable for both regular and irregular polygons, right? So for example, if I want to calculate the sum of angles of five-sided figure, if I want to find out the sum of interior angles of five-sided figure, so I will use the same formula that I have written above, that is 5 side, and n is for sides, right? N means n is for sides. So I have 5-sided figure, so 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So the sum of the interior angles of 5-sided figure is 540 degree. For example, if I have a 7-sided figure, right? So I will use the same formula, that is 7 minus 2, n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, and the sum of 7-sided figure of interior angle is 900 degree. For example, if I have a 10-sided figure, right? 10-sided figure, and I want to find out the sum of interior angle of 10-sided figure. It can be regular or irregular, doesn't make any difference, but if you want to find out the sum of the interior angle, we will use the same formula because it is applicable for both regular and irregular polygons, right? So if we have 10-sided figure and we want to find out the sum of the interior angle, so I will use n minus 2, n is number of sides. So we have 10 sides, so 10 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So the sum of the interior angle is 1440 degree. And we have some, if we have a figure more than 10-sided, so if I want to find out the sum of interior angle of 16 ones, right? So I will use the same formula, that is 16 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, and the sum of the interior angle of 16 one is 2520 degree. Okay.